Welcome to HOMECOOKIN Pro. If you are someone who loves a home-cooked meal but struggles to find the time after a long day of work, you are definitely in the right place. Today we are looking at the HOMECOOKIN 8-quart Programmable Slow Cooker. This is an appliance that promises to take the stress out of family dinners by combining capacity, control, and a sleek aesthetic. Let us start with the design. This unit comes in a few different color options including red, black, and stainless steel. It really does look quite atmospheric and high-end on a kitchen counter. The construction is solid with thick stainless steel, which is not just about looks. It serves a practical purpose by providing excellent heat insulation. I was particularly impressed by the cool touch handles and the exterior shell. It gives you peace of mind when moving the cooker from the counter to the table, as you do not have to worry about accidental burns. Moving on to the functionality, this is a true multi-use tool. It is not just for simple stews anymore. You can sear, saute, roast, steam, and stew. This is a massive plus for anyone who wants to minimize cleanup because you can do your initial browning right in the same vessel before switching to the slow cooking phase. The heating element is surprisingly consistent, making it ideal for everything from tough cuts of meat to delicate poultry. One of the standout features is the programmability. You are in total control of your kitchen experience here. You can customize your cooking time and temperature based on your specific recipes or personal preferences. I found the heat preservation function to be a real lifesaver. If you get stuck in traffic or a meeting runs late, the cooker keeps your meal warm and ready to eat, so you never come home to a cold dinner. Now, let us talk about capacity. With an 8-quart oval design, this is a beast when it comes to serving size. It comfortably fits large roasts or even whole chickens, making it perfect for feeding 9 or more people. If you have a large family or you like to meal prep for the entire week, this capacity is going to be your best friend. The tempered glass lid is another highlight because it is built to withstand high temperatures and daily wear and tear, plus it allows you to peek at your progress without lifting the lid and losing all that precious heat. Looking at the pros and cons, the biggest advantage here is the versatility. The ability to sear and saute in the same unit saves time and dishes, which is a major win. The safety features like the cool touch exterior are also excellent additions. On the minor downside, because this is an 8-quart unit, it does have a significant footprint on the counter, so make sure you have the space for it before buying. In conclusion, the HOMECOOKIN 8-quart Programmable Slow Cooker is a high-capacity workhorse that brings a lot of convenience to the modern home chef. It is durable, safe, and offers enough customization to handle a wide range of cooking styles. If you are ready to upgrade your kitchen game, this is definitely a solid choice. Link in the description.